Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you this one little upgrade. So do you guys still remember the budget PC that we just built? So on that project I did have a i7 4th gen with a GTX 980 and it's on a pre-built Dell case. So I want to just spice it up a little bit by adding this case from Thermaltake. This is the level 20 VT. Alright. Got this one for about $30 on sale, and let's go ahead and take a look and do like a little upgrade. I'll be showing you the little timeline on how I built this case right here. Never really built this case before or bought something brand new, so you're gonna see little errors here and there, but I'll keep you guys updated and posted to see if I find anything weird on this one. Alright, let's go to the video. Just as a disclaimer guys, I don't really recommend building a PC on a carpet, but since right now I don't have a table, this will do. If my channel does grow bigger or anything like that, I will promise you that I will build it properly on a table, but as of right now, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, it's the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and find out, see if this one's working. Three, two, one. Alright, so basically there's a couple adjustments that I had to make. Turns out that the Dell power switch, it's not really compatible if you directly connect the switches to, or the plugs into the motherboard. So what I did, I had to take this one off and basically wire, MacGyver wire thing. Typically when you're just transferring a motherboard to a case, it's a lot easier, but this one I had to cut the wire and rewire everything just to make it work. You know, it's totally fine. We found a workaround with that one. I did some research over here. Let's see if this one boots on. Oh yeah, forgot the power supply. Turn it on. Okay, let's see if this one turns on. Take two. There you go. Alright, so the workaround finally worked. So we have the EVGA GTX 980 in this one, just like what the first cheap build that we got. Hopefully you guys like this video. I'll probably post up some more videos on how to make these kind of things, but I'm just glad that it finally works. I was a little bit nervous at first, but everything finally works on the $300 build on this nice case like this. Remember, you guys will only find nice cases when you find it in deal. This one is $30. I got this one pretty good deal, and yeah, there you have it. Hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, which I think you guys will have, especially transferring a Dell OEM motherboard to an aftermarket case, will be quite tricky. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Alright, again, this is Matt. You guys have a good one.